Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mohammed Kamara, and I will talk today about my um, the the fruit application in PHP. It's been a little bit of struggle because of some syntax or platform issues, but at the end of the day, we're gonna get there. First of all, I want to talk about the Flowchart, so you see, get an idea is what you expected. So in brief, application is loaded in the web browser, and first of all, you want to make sure that the fruit you want to add to the application. Okay, before that, let me try to show you the application working on right now, so you get an idea exactly. Okay, what we're trying to achieve. Okay, this application, this is what is expected. When you log onto the website or the app, this is what you're gonna see. Very simple, and it's just like two fields, name of fruit and the color, and you click the submit button. So let me go back and show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, when you load the application, as a functional app, you should be able to see, whether there are existing fruits already added, into the system. So you go through all of these here, whether the fruit already exists. If it doesn't exist, then you're gonna add a fruit name and a color. But if it's there's already a fruit, for example, but maybe like you want to check also whether is the same color or is a different color and stuff like that. So you go through all these processes, and then at the end of the day, you have it's based on that. This we can develop the application. And the next thing I want to talk about is the UR, what I just showed you. So here it is the interface for the import, and then um, after that, let me show you. Take a look at the schema. At the back end, we're gonna have MySQL application on the database running this, and the database is a very simple database with three fields in the fruit ID, the fruit name, the color. And you can see here it's pretty simple and straightforward. And then next thing I want to talk about the code here. Let me show you the actual development. So here I have a bunch of files, like the CSS, and the image photo, and here is the PHP fruit application right here. So as you can see from the tab, there is a configuration to have you connected to the MySQL database. You have all the credentials here, and then at the beginning of the project, I had a little bit of problem because um, normally these keywords should, the moment you start to type, all of these should kind of like pop up, and it shows that there's no problem with syntax and some other problem. But because of that, thing was not going as planned, and I had to go and launch backs, and this back pretty much helped me you know to get an understanding that it was not um, platform problem. Rather, it was something to do with some other errors in my application. So I have a bunch of files here in the header. Let me close this here. So here, the most important thing here will be okay. All of this here is like the design of the application. What is more important thing here is like this: the form, very simple form. We're gonna have fruit, the fruit color, and I decided not to have the labels. Um, yeah, the labels are there, but for some reason, because I'm using Bootstrap, these labels are kind of hidden, so you want to see the placeholder, as you can see here, So in short, this is the application, and I'm still working on it because I have some other problem, But when you type, for instance, like banana, okay, the color is green, and hit the submit button, it automatically should load here and be able to go to the database and see. So actually this week have been I would say a very successful week because I learned a lot of stuff, and you know I mean, like, it's always a matter of time. So in a nutshell, this is what I have as my project.